Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum, the market pumping this morning. Dogecoin also up 5%, which is beautiful. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals. Doge up 5%, BNB up 4%, Partisia up 2.8%, a recent company that is seed invested, Bitcoin 2%, Ethereum 1%. You can see the market having a strong bounce back. Let's get into Bitcoin above 70,000, 70,500. First thing I look at, I go to the longer term time frames, monthly. Top of the channel on the monthly is around 88,000. Monthly meaning each of these candles on Bitcoin represents 1 month. And you can see this last monthly candle, we're having a hammer candle, which is beautiful. Still 20 days remaining. But you can see the top of this channel, going back to 2021 top, would be 88K. Volume is still increasing, stochastic still heading up, squeeze mob still heading up. On the weekly charts, we can see the bots work. Second to third wave finished, third to fourth wave finished, fourth to fifth wave, final wave is in play. Crypto Guru Bot fired a blue buy back on February 2023, still a blue buy now. The yellow line is the halving. I asked the question in my on Twitter, what is this yellow line on my charts? I'm going to show you. The winner of that is $100. It's the halving. So I'm going to pick the winner at the end of this video. You can see it here. I'll pick the winner of 100 USDT at the end of this video. I pushed there. 20 hours ago. What is the yellow line on Bitcoin? We'll choose winner of 100 USDT. So I'm going to choose a winner after I do Bitcoin technical analysis at the end. So make sure you stay to then. Stochastic hitting up, volume dropping off, but still 4 days. So it's going to be a bigger volume week than last week. Let's go closer onto the daily. Squeeze mob heading up. Bitcoin inside this kind of symmetrical triangle. And it looks like this symmetrical triangle is going to pop at the halving. Going into the halving. Usually it breaks out 70% of the move. So this move would be around the halving date. If you do 70% of the move, that would of this triangle, 70% of this triangle's move would be around here. 70% would be here. So the day before the halving, or the few days before the halving, expecting big move up. Stochastic volume coming in. It looks like Bitcoin is getting ready for big movements out of this symmetrical triangle. Rejected a few times. And I said that if you got lucky, it would activate the trade, and then we'd go one more time, 72 breaking out on the 15th or 16th of April. And I think that's about to take place. Where I would open a long is off the previous all-time high support. Just here, if you got lucky to open the trade yesterday, this is the trade I'll take now. If you haven't yet, if I hadn't been lucky, if I'd still want to open the trade, I'll take from here. 88K would be the first target. 115 would be the second target, and this is going into the halving. So the day of the halving, I will close my positions. Why? Because the day of the halving is usually buy the rumor, sell the news. I always do that. I always buy the rumor, sell the news. And that's, if you've been following my channel for the last 4 years, you know that always is true. So that's the trade I'll take on Bitcoin, opening at 68,172, stop loss 67,172, take profit 115K. Risk to reward is 48 times, risking $1,000 to make $48,400 per Bitcoin without any leverage. With 10x leverage, that'll be $480,000 profit. That's the trade I would open on Bitcoin, 68172, and Bitcoin is pumping right now. Over on Bybit, my Bitcoin account, my account is now $809,000 up from 749,000 a few days ago, from 763 to now 809. The peak was 846, but I actually withdrew 100,000 to invest in seed companies like in the last month. So this would be actually $909,000. My Bitcoin funding fee is still 0.01 while Bitcoin is above 70,000. Bitcoin funding fee 0.01 while it's above 70,000. I've got $27,000 Bitcoin profit trade here. It's for Bitcoin, so it's around $255,000, up $27,000. My Ethereum trade is also up $19,000, which is beautiful. In this account, 809,000. I've got in here USDT 126,000. The world tokens yesterday, world came down to $6.30 and it bought them, which is beautiful. Bitcoin, I've got 110,000 up 2%. Ethereum, I've got 108,000 up 1%. Doge, this is what I'm holding spot. Doge up 5%. 6%, almost 95,000. Pocket 67,000, down 3%, buying another $10,000 of Pocket right now. Actually, let's put it a little bit, 0.23. Buying another $10,000 worth of Pocket. I want to build up a strong Pocket position. MCRT 54,000, down 8%. WorldCoin $45,000. It came down to $6.30. Activated the next $10,000 buy. Uniswap down 10% on the news. The SEC is going after Uniswap, which would be quite bad news, but it didn't actually pull back much, which is quite interesting. Uniswap didn't pull back much, only 10% on that news. Lucky I closed most of it, but going into after the pump. Let's go into Ethereum and try and do Doge as well. Ethereum 3543. Yesterday came down close to activating the trade, but missed it. Looks like, in my opinion, Ethereum is going to be moving to 4334. I'll try and get in on a trade on a major area of support, which I would say would be right now here. Tight stop loss. And expecting the breakout around the 18th of April. That's the trade I'll take on Ethereum. Opening at 3462, stop loss 3403, take profit 48, and 62 is the biggest target, 6,230 for Ethereum. Risking $59 to make $2,812 per Ethereum with no leverage. With 10x leverage, you'd make $28,000 per Ethereum on this trade. Again, it opens at 3462, which is beautiful. And I'm currently in a Ethereum long. I've got a 60 Ethereum long, which is currently valued at 193,000, and I'm holding spot of around 130 Ethereum. So Ethereum looking like it's going to go for a run. I'm going to pick a winner now. What is the yellow line on Bitcoin? We'll choose the winner of 100 USDT. Follow me here, Telegram, Instagram, on YouTube to win. Retweet, comment your answer, and hashtag of your 3 top crypto projects. I'll pick one winner. We had, how many people applied for this? We had 145 messages, 9,000 people saw it. So I'm going to load them up and I'm going to pick the winner. Let's load up all the comments. Thank you all of you who applied. What, many comments. Let's load them all up. Loading them all up, loading them all up. Show more replies, loading them up. Okay, so thanks, James, for the opportunity. You are truly Nostradamus. 200. It's not the 200 moving average, everyone. It was the Bitcoin halving event, but the Bitcoin halving event looks like it's come forward one day. Done. Hoping I win this giveaway. You didn't say what it was. Halving day, correct, VK? 200 moving, 200 moving, 200 moving. It was the halving day. 200 moving, 200 moving. A lot of people said the 200 moving average, but it was the halving day. So I'm going to randomly scroll and pick the winner. I see I stay yellow line and breakout, no weekly support, no, 200 moving average, no, Bitcoin halving, correct, but you didn't tag the 3 projects. Day of the halving, correct. Bitcoin, correct. Crypto Jason, you win. Congratulations, Crypto Jason. You got it right. It's the day of the halving. And I'll follow you so my team can contact you. Congratulations on the 100 USDT. It is the day of the halving, Jason. The day of the halving, April 20th. This yellow line is the day of the halving. It is seeming to be moving forward to April 20, which is interesting. But it's starting to move forward to April 20. If you want to trade like you saw me do underneath the video, go down below. One is the exchanges that I use. Bybit gives you a $30,000 bonus when you use this link and join the Gurus. Make sure you sign up to this link, guys. I'm going to do a Bybit giveaway competition in the next few days. Make sure you sign up using this link and join the Gurus on Bybit, because I'm going to give away a large gift soon. 2, take the courses. Take the crypto master course to learn trading and get the bots. 3, join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you in all the Telegrams right now. There's 98 of you online, and a lot of people made amazing gains. People going to sleep. Uniswap getting hammered. This guy made 161% on Bitcoin long. He made 70% on Ethereum long, 20% on ICP, 131% on James. This guy made 167% on Bitcoin. This guy 58% on Bitcoin. Congratulations. And Uniswap, the news about Uniswap, what dropped it, I'm going to show you over on Twitter. This is the news that came out about Uniswap. Congratulations, Jason, on winning. Whoops. So this is my Twitter, and you can see there's another competition for $1,000 to one winner. Everyone, another competition on my Twitter. European Mediterranean cooked meals and diets and eating with friends versus Western American fast food McDonald's diet. One winner that creates the best image will get $1,000, and that ends in 1,000 in one week. So that ends in around 5 days, so you can join there. The future, so the SEC is pushing the best founders offshore. Hayden built Uniswap from Brooklyn. The US government is now telling future Haydens to go build in Dubai or Singapore. This has to change soon or will crush innovation for years. So Uniswap, there's $1,000 giveaway competition for MCRT as well for the best gameplay on X. Check that out. Today, Uniswap Labs received the world's notice from the SEC. I'm not surprised, just annoyed, disappointed, ready to fight. The SEC to file a lawsuit against Uniswap, issuing world's notice to the company. Again, the SEC and the government just fucking with crypto innovation in America, which is very, very not good news. That's my updates in the market, everyone. My account, 808,430. My Bitcoin and Ethereum trades pumping. And I think Bitcoin and Ethereum are about to go for a mega run. And don't forget, again, join all the links underneath to go in these competitions. There's thousands and thousands of dollars of prizes almost every day, which is beautiful. Thank you for watching, everyone. That's my updates in the market. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.